Hey there, Mac lovers. I'm Laura, and today I'm going to walk you through 5 amazing free Mac apps that will totally transform your productivity. Let's dive right in. Today we're checking out Elephas, Notion, Dropover, Alfred, and ChatGPT. All fantastic free Mac apps with premium options that can seriously level up your workflow. First up is Elephas. This is a powerful knowledge assistant designed for Mac users who deal with tons of information daily. What makes Elephas special is how it lets you collect, organize, and quickly find all your important notes and knowledge in one place. No more jumping between different apps or folders trying to find that one piece of information. The Super Brain feature is really cool. It builds a personal knowledge center right on your Mac where you can easily save important stuff from websites, documents, and other sources. And get this, it works with different AI models like OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini. Plus, it even works offline, keeping your information private and always available. Users absolutely love Elephas for both MacBook and iPhone. They praise how conveniently it gives you access to AI-powered text processing and lets you search, rewrite, and customize content professionally. Many reviewers specifically highlight the Super Brain feature, saying it helps them manage personal data and websites super efficiently. While some mention there's a bit of a learning curve and occasional interface issues, the developers are really responsive with frequent updates, which is why many consider it the top AI writing tool available. Next up is Notion. This is such a flexible workspace tool that helps you organize all your information in one place. While it starts as a simple note-taking app, it can do so much more depending on how you use it. You can transform Notion into a tool for managing projects, creating databases, building knowledge centers, or tracking personal goals, all with a clean, visually appealing interface. What's great about Notion is its building block approach that makes it easy to create exactly what you need. Start with a blank page or choose from thousands of templates to save time. Notion works well for both personal use and team collaboration, with options to share specific pages or create dedicated team spaces. According to reviews, users find Notion incredibly helpful, but mention it does have a steep learning curve. Some found it frustrating at times due to not being super user-friendly right away, but they loved its collaborative features, like real-time notifications and note-taking capabilities. Others praise Notion for how easy it is to customize and its productivity benefits, saying the possibilities feel limitless. The main downside mentioned is its limited offline functionality, so that's something to keep in mind. Third on our list is Alfred, a powerful productivity app that helps you work faster and smarter. It sits quietly in the background until you need it, then springs into action with just a keyboard shortcut. With Alfred, you can quickly find files, search the web, control your music, and automate repetitive tasks without taking your hands off the keyboard. The latest version, Alfred 5.5, brings new interactive views that make it even more useful for daily tasks. Whether you're a casual Mac user or a power user looking to save time, Alfred's customizable features adapt to how you work. Users absolutely love Alfred for its powerful automation features and quick app launching capabilities. Many reviewers praise the Alfred Power Pack for streamlining daily tasks, though some found its workflow editor a bit complex for beginners. Another common comment is how Alfred significantly speeds up workflows, allowing users to open apps instantly. While some feel the customization options can be intimidating at first, most agree that Alfred is a fantastic productivity tool that's worth the learning curve. Next, we have ChatGPT. This app brings advanced AI right to your desktop, making it easy to get help with virtually any task. With a simple keyboard shortcut, you can instantly access ChatGPT from anywhere on your computer without disrupting your workflow. It seamlessly integrates with your everyday activities, whether you're writing emails, coding, or creating content. The desktop app offers a more personalized experience than the web version, with the ability to chat about files on your computer, analyze screenshots, and even help with code directly in your development environment. For Plus and Team users on macOS, it can write code edits directly into your development tools, which is super handy. Reviews for ChatGPT are mixed. Some users express frustration, especially those who paid for the Pro version but felt they didn't get value for their money, with complaints about customer support. However, other users had positive experiences, praising its speed in reading data and helping with programming tasks. Though they noted it sometimes struggles with reading code properly and lacks a preview feature for some functions. Moving on to the final app, Dropover. This tool makes moving files on your Mac so much easier with its simple floating shelves. When you need to move multiple files between folders or apps, you don't have to keep switching back and forth between windows. Just shake your cursor while dragging files, drop them on the shelf that appears, and then navigate to where you want to put them without any stress or confusion. This handy tool works with almost anything you can drag on your Mac: files, folders, images, website links, or text snippets. The app stays hidden until you need it, then appears right where you're working. Unfortunately, we couldn't find any specific user reviews for Dropover, but based on its features, it seems like a real time saver for Mac users. After reviewing all these amazing tools, I have to say that Elephas really stands out as the most versatile and powerful option for Mac users. Its combination of AI-powered assistance, knowledge management, and offline functionality makes it incredibly valuable for anyone who deals with lots of information. The Super Brain feature is genuinely game-changing for organizing your digital life, and the fact that it works with multiple AI models gives you so much flexibility. What really sets Elephas apart is how it balances powerful features with user-friendly design. While some tools we looked at have steep learning curves, Elephas manages to be both powerful and accessible. That's it for today's roundup of the best free Mac apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.